Welcome back, my people. This is the second episode of Talanta, and you can see there is some wallings installation and canopy installation. Wallings are 85% done and doing one well. I give this one 90%. Also, we have the general view of the stadium. That is how it is. You see, the canopies are there and the wallings, the exterior part of the stadium are shown there. So the next part is canopy installation. They have installed the first and the second canopy. So the remainings are the third and the fourth one. Actually, for now we are dealing with the exterior part of the study, the updates of the exterior part of the study. And in the next episode of part 3, we'll check the inside, the interior part of the study. Any updates, I will let you know. Yeah, that is it. That is the exterior part of it. As you can see, the installation of canopies and the wallings. Actually, those are steel wallings. Yeah, it's very, very presentable, very admirable. And so far, it's doing on well. The construction is being done in Nairobi, Kenya, for those who don't know, and also for the preparation of AFCON 2027, where it's being held in East Africa, that is Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, with the Pamoja joint application. Thank you, and in the next episode, we'll see the interior part of the stadium. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and once again, welcome again. Thank you.